There's a word I like to use to describe a certain kind of driver, and I call that the prick-up truck driver. This semi-truck was crossing the railroad tracks when this idiot driver got angry because he couldn't wait. He was angry that the trucker wouldn't bow down to his royal prickness because the trucker wouldn't let him in, so he puts down his window to flip off the trucker and yell some curse words. He then opens his door to flip off the trucker again. But look what happens now. He gets some instant karma. Notice his taillight is broken now. All his fault. All his fault, 100%. What a douche knob. Of course he blocks traffic. He doesn't even bother to pull over properly. He confronts the trucker and demands that the trucker pay for his taillight. The trucker points to his dash cam. The trucker ain't paying for nothing. That dude is out of luck. He can go cry to his insurance now, but he's not gonna get a dime from this trucker for his own stupid actions.